I'm Derek Aguayo, founder of Stip, and if you're watching this message is not for the general public. It's for a very specific type of person, a serious investor, a seasoned venture capitalist, a strategic builder who understands what it means to own infrastructure instead of chasing trends. Because what I'm about to show you is not another SaaS pitch, not another AI wrapper, not another incremental software company claiming to change the world. This is much bigger. This is ownership in a category-defining ecosystem, a system that fundamentally changes how intellectual property is created, expanded, optimized, monetized, and scaled. Let me explain. Every company in the world runs on intellectual property, products, processes, frameworks, systems, methodologies, data, workflows, operational intelligence, brand assets, customer acquisition systems, sales systems, innovation systems. But here's the problem. Nearly all of it is static, linear, fragmented, under-leveraged. Companies build one product, one framework, one process, one revenue stream, and slowly decay while markets evolve faster than they can adapt. STIP changes that. STIP stands for squeezing the IP for all its value and worth. But in reality, STIP is far more than a methodology. STIP is a dynamic, recursive ecosystem, a living infrastructure layer designed to continuously extract, expand, optimize, and scale value from intellectual property. Think about that carefully. Not just creating IP, not just monetizing IP, but building the operating system that makes all IP dramatically more powerful. That's the opportunity. This is why this matters. The future winners will not simply own products, they will own the systems that make products smarter, faster, more scalable, more adaptive, more monetizable, and more defensible. STIP sits in that position. At the center of innovation amplification, imagine owning infrastructure that helps founders, enterprises, innovation teams, consultants, creators, and entire industries take one static asset and transform it into dynamic ecosystems of value. Multiple products, multiple monetization layers, multiple use cases, multiple strategic pathways, continuous optimization loops, AI-powered recursive expansion, data-fed intelligence cycles, and future software infrastructure that automates much of this at scale. This is not a point solution, this is a platform vision, a category creation play, and perhaps most importantly, a leverage play, because the bigger vision is not selling a single product. The bigger vision is owning the ecosystem that enhances all existing IP. Read that again, all existing IP. That means the market is not one niche. It's effectively every innovation-driven market on earth. Enterprise, SaaS, consulting, education, healthcare, manufacturing, consumer products, AI, financial services, licensing, media, and beyond. Because wherever there is IP, there is opportunity for amplification. And where there is amplification infrastructure, there is enterprise scale value creation. Now let's talk timing. AI has created a once-in-a-generation shift, but most companies are still applying AI tactically. STIP's vision is architectural. We are not asking, how do we add AI? We're asking, how do we build the operating layer that continuously makes innovation smarter? That distinction matters massively because infrastructure companies create outsized value. Now let me be direct. This is not an open invitation. We are selective. We are looking for the right strategic investor, someone who sees category creation, someone who understands ecosystem ownership, someone who understands timing, someone who understands leverage, someone who sees what this becomes when software, automation, AI systems, dynamic data loops, partner ecosystems, certification channels, consulting channels, and enterprise deployment all converge. This is a once-in-a-lifetime category ownership opportunity, not because no one will try to imitate elements, but because owning the architecture, positioning, ecosystem, and market narrative early creates extraordinary leverage. The question is simple. Will someone own the future operating layer of IP amplification, or will they watch someone else build it? If you're a serious VC or strategic investor who sees what this can become, go to stipmethod.com, request a strategic investor conversation. Our team will review fit carefully because we are not looking for passive capital. We are looking for aligned strategic partners who understand what ownership in this ecosystem could mean. This is not about investing in another software company. This is about investing in infrastructure for the future of innovation itself. I'm Derek Aguayo, and if this resonates, I look forward to the conversation.